So this is it. I have some stuff in the bin. Sorry that I haven't filmed. Like, my husband was here and I just feel really weird about filming with him just because he finds it so strange, you know? But here we go. Oh, okay. So I don't like using this. I'm probably gonna use the Bissell on my rug because look, like that's after vacuuming my rug once. It just gets all trapped in there. And it's just really freaking aggravating. I'm not gonna ruin like a brand new vacuum just because my rug sucks ass. But what Vacuum Test said is true. Like, it does definitely pull you forward. It's very easy to vacuum with this. It's crazy. Like, I mean, I love my Bissell still. I don't care. But this, I mean, this is a high quality vacuum. Like, seriously, this is after vacuuming it one time. Anyways, I figured I'd do like a little mess test for you guys. And I'm gonna clean this out. Like, I'm gonna take out the brush roll, and there's like hair and shit in there, and I'll just take care of that later. I have very limited amount of time before he comes back home, but it's so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. And it did come with some attachments. It came with a turbo brush, as you guys saw, and then it came with this nifty little doodad, which, like, obviously it's personal. No. Sorry, it's hard to do one-handed. You press that, and that comes up like that. Or you can just use it without this thing, and this thing also detaches. I guess it's like a little upholstery brush type of deal. And that just goes right in there. That's not right. Okay. This is the other one. I haven't used this either yet. I just used a turbo brush. Like, that was the first time I used it in that little video that I chose to upload. But, yeah, I'm gonna put this little baby aside. Take out and put him in the box.